Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView for crypto. First, you'll want to create a free account on the TradingView website. Once registered, head straight to the chart interface. This is where all the magic happens. You can then select your preferred cryptocurrency pair, such as Bitcoin versus the US dollar, to start your analysis. It's a straightforward process to get your initial setup ready for exploring the crypto markets. Now, let's customize your chart for better insights. Change the chart type to candlesticks. They offer a clear visual of price movements. Next, adjust the time frame to suit your trading style, whether it's a shorter 1-hour view or a longer 4-hour perspective. Finally, begin adding essential technical indicators from the Indicators menu to help you identify trends and potential entry or exit points. To deepen your analysis, explore the vast library of indicators. You can search for popular ones like the Relative Strength Index or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Don't forget to utilize drawing tools, such as trend lines to spot market direction or Fibonacci retracements for potential support and resistance levels. Once your chart looks perfect, save your layout so you can quickly return to your personalized setup anytime. Finally, optimize your workflow with watch lists and alerts. Create a watch list to keep a close eye on your favorite crypto assets without constantly searching for them. Set up price alerts to receive notifications when a specific price level is hit, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. You can also explore community ideas for fresh perspectives and to see what other traders are thinking about the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.